Hello everyone. In this session, we will have a discussion on ignition system. So ignition is a process of combustion of air and fuel mixture inside the engine cylinder. This ignition system is used to generate a high temperature spark to ignite air and fuel mixture inside the engine cylinder. It used in a petrol engine. So in this session, we will see what are the different components of an ignition system and how does it work. So the first component is the battery. Battery is used to store the electrical energy to ignite the air and fuel mixture. So it consists of two terminals. One is negatively charged, another is positively charged. And the next component is a ignition coil. Ignition coil is consist of three parts. One is primary coil, secondary coil, and a soft iron core. Here you can see it is a soft iron core. Another point is here you can see that the primary coil is having less number of turns as compared to the secondary coil. We will see how does it work. Next component is called circuit breaker. Circuit breaker is consist of two parts mainly. One is condenser, it is also called a capacitor. Another is a cam. Cam is a mechanical device which is rotate about certain point. Next component is called distributor. Distributor is consist of two parts mainly. One is this is a rotor. Another is these are the metal electrodes. Here you can see these are the metal electrodes. Next component is here. This is the last or final component of an ignition system which is called a spark plug. Here you can see this is a spark plug. Spark plug is consist of two terminals. One is positively charged, another is negatively charged. Negative charged terminal is grounded and positively charged terminal is connected to the distributor. We will see how does it work. So let's arrange all this component in a sequential manner and perform. So this is the schematic diagram of a battery ignition system. This battery ignition system is consist of two terminals. One is negative terminal, another is positive terminal. This negative terminal is grounded and positive terminal is connected to the ignition switch. This is your ignition switch. And this ignition switch is connected to the ignition coil. In between that, we have to install or put a ballast resistor in between ignition switch and ignition coil. Why we are using that ballast resistor? Because there may be a chance of overheating of this coil. हो सकता है कि जब बैटरी से करंट आ रहा है ignition coil पर, this ignition coil is consist of two windings, primary windings, secondary windings and a soft iron core. So there may be a chance of overheating. Overheating के चलते ये ignition coil damage हो सकता है. To avoid that, we need to use a ballast resistor which is made up of iron. Iron का ही क्यों बना होता है? Because iron is having a property which increase its resistance during increase the temperature. आयरन क्या करता है? अपना रेजिस्टेंस बढ़ा सकता है जब टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा होगा. इसीलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, यहाँ पे एक आयरन का बालास्ट रेजिस्टर लगाते हैं. तो अभी करंट कहाँ पे आ गया था? इग्निशन कॉइल पे आ गया था. नाउ दिस करंट विल फ्लो टू द सर्किट ब्रेकर. दिस इज आवर सर्किट ब्रेकर. सर्किट ब्रेकर मैंने आपको ऑलरेडी बताया था, इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ अ कैम एंड अ कैपेसिटर और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड कंडेंसर. सो करंट इज स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग टू दिस सर्किट ब्रेकर. When this capacitor is got overcharged, जब ये कैपेसिटर ओवरचार्ज हो जाएगा बियॉन्ड द बैटरी लिमिट, बैटरी से ज़्यादा ओवरचार्ज हो जाएगा, देन दिस सर्किट ब्रेकर इज गेट ओपन. ये सर्किट ब्रेकर क्या होगा, अपने आप को ओपन कर देगा. एंड आफ्टर दैट दिस कैपेसिटर इज स्टार्ट डिस्चार्जिंग. ये कैपेसिटर क्या होगा, डिस्चार्ज होना शुरू करेगा. ड्यूरिंग द डिस्चार्ज ये क्या करेगा, रिवर्स करंट फ्लो करना शुरू करेगा टू द सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग ऑफ द इग्निशन कॉइल. एंड दिस सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग इज कनेक्टेड टू द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर डिवाइस विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाई टेंशन केबल. यहाँ पे जो केबल लगा होगा दैट इज अ हाई टेंशन केबल एंड इट इज कनेक्टेड टू द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर इज हैविंग two component. One is a rotor. Here you can see it is the rotor. The blue one is the rotor, and this 1 2 3 4 these are the individual metal electrode. This individual metal electrode are connected to the spark plug individually. ये सब जो metal electrode है ये किसके साथ कनेक्टेड होगा, स्पार्क प्लग के साथ कनेक्टेड होगा. जब करंट सेकेंडरी वाइंडिंग होता हुआ डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर में पहुंचेगा तो ये क्या करेगा, ये रोटर को घुमाना शुरू करेगा. दिस रोटर इज टेंड्स टू रोटेट. rotor is tends to rotate at a particular time. When it connected with the individual metal electrode, current start flowing from this electrode to the spark plug. ये जब क्या करेगा, मेटल इलेक्ट्रोड जो भी मेटल इलेक्ट्रोड के साथ कनेक्ट में आएगा, करंट current is start flowing from that electrode to the spark plug. Individual spark plug को current flow करना शुरू करेगा. So this distributor is used for the correct sequence at the correct timing of the spark plug for the generation of the spark. So these are the spark plug. You can see here spark plug is consist of two terminals. One is positively charged, another is negatively charged. Positively charged terminal is connected to the distributor and the negatively charged connected is grounded. So due to the less air gap in the spark plug, so there is a potential difference generate which leads to a spark inside the spark plug. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, एक पॉजिटिवली चार्ज टर्मिनल होगा, एक नेगेटिवली चार्ज टर्मिनल होगा. जो भी पॉजिटिवली चार्ज टर्मिनल होगा वो किसके साथ कनेक्ट होगा, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर के साथ कनेक्ट होगा. जो भी नेगेटिवली चार्ज टर्मिनल होगा वो किसके साथ कनेक्ट, वो ग्राउंडेड होगा. सो ड्यू टू द air gap in between positively charged and negatively charged terminal, there is a potential difference create, and that potential due to that potential difference there is a spark created in the spark plug. Here you can see, and this spark is used to generate the power inside the engine by combustion of air and fuel mixture. So this is all about your battery ignition system. Thank you.